Plus our new inflators HJS711LX and 931B family. HJ931B family is the new automatic inflator. We have designed the panel sloped for better operating. We know people need to deal with water, so we have built Type E54 water resistant on the inflator. Once the pipe is connected to wheels, the program will self-calculate and measure the tire pressure. The inflators can display both SI and bar, and it can be changed by clicking on the panel. With only one click, our inflators is able to inflating or deflating automatic in few minutes. If there are any issues with the inflator or the tire during operating, the machine will raise alarm to notice operator to avoid further damage or accident. HJS711LX shares the same system with HJ931B family. Comparing with both models, HJ711 need to deflating by hand, otherwise they are not much different.